So I found this windmill very interesting, but the handle is too short. And also I found this piece, a screw thread for normal broomsticks with diameter 19 millimeter. So I thought maybe we can connect these two parts together. Okay, so in the Blender, A to select all, X and delete everything. And we turn on the statistics. Right click, set origin, geometry to origin, tab into the edit mode, and we see from the y-axis, turn on the X-ray, make sure the vertex select mode is enabled. We select these threads that we don't want. X to delete the vertices. We rotate the view. Select more vertices. Shift, select more, and make sure don't select other vertices, or you may break the 3D model. Okay, X vertices. Okay, go back to y-axis. Draw a rectangle to select only the top vertices. And we turn off the X-ray, F to fill this surface. Okay. Turn on the X-ray again. X or Y axis. So okay, we select all these. G to grab the arm, and we move along the axis to make it shorter. Almost like this is okay. Press tab again to exit the edit mode. Okay, now we import the handle. Right click, geometry to origin, edit mode, select all, move above, we turn off this to see all these. Okay, K for knife, enter, K for knife, enter. Okay, we turn on the X-ray, select all these, X and delete vertices. Okay, the y-axis, this or we press M and by distance to merge the closed vertices. Make it 0.1. Okay. And then we S, Z, and 0. Enter. Okay. Now we E for extrude and along the axis. Turn on the view of this. Okay. Press E for extrude, Z to make it along the axis. Okay. We press to scale it. Okay, now we press 2 for line the edge select mode. Hold Alt to select this border, this border, this and this. Bevel. Segments. Font is okay. Now we select symbols and make sure you have the Board tool installed as add-ons. We press Ctrl and plus on the number pad. We apply this modifier. Delete this empty cube. So we have these two parts combined together. Now we select this line, we do the bevel again, segment to 6 is okay. We select this line, also bevel it. 12. Okay. So now we can, with this selected, file and export STL, give it a name and export it as a STL file. So in the Bamboo Studio software, we can drag this into it, and then we can print it on our 3D printer. Okay, thank you for watching.